Corporación Universitaria del Caribe SECAR, Andrea Lorena Quintero, para la materia de inglés, la docente Andrea Figueroa. I wish. I wish I could create my own company in the future. I wish I could that each objective proposed from the day and establish my goals come true. I am talking about my own house, a good economic level, or at least a stable economic level. I wish that in my sentimental file, my partner and my family maintain a very stable bond of affection and love throughout our life, regardless of the obstacles that lie ahead. I wish I could help my friends who are experiencing a difficult economic situation, since they do not have many permanent jobs or generous monetary income. I wish to be able to save money to have or be able to pay of inconvenience our unforgiven debts throughout my life. Likewise, also to be able to carry out other family goals, such as trips and investments. I wish to be able to save money to have or be able to pay off inconvenience or unforgiven debts throughout my life. Likewise, also to be able to carry out other family goals such as trips, investments. Thanks. My wishes culminate by saying that I hope that my dreams come true. It is evident that all this depends on my attitude and my desire to face life. I keep going. Thank you.